guys, this is Cash Money. Welcome back to another video. As today we'll be back at MLB The Show 23. As today's video we will be rebuilding the St. Louis Cardinals because they're the worst team in the NL Central and they've been going bad this year. So yeah, let's rebuild them. We're gonna hop on to MLB The Show 23 Jazz Chisholm Jr. style. So yeah, we gotta go to franchise and gotta start new. Use current rosters. And then we're gonna do the St. Louis Cardinals GM contracts on, fantasy draft on, allow non-active free agents off, CPU roster control on, off, CPU trading on, ignore budgets on, forced trades off, designated hitter on, and an extra inning runner on. So let's see what we can get. We can probably get like we should get let's get Jacob deGrom here. Let's draft Jacob deGrom here. Okay, so now we got a pitcher. Let's draft Nolan Arenado. Boom. Third round we are going to get, we got a third baseman, so let's go to a second baseman. Gotta go, do we have a second baseman? We got a first baseman. We have Spence. Here's a second baseman right here. I think this will be good. So yeah, we'll draft him. Round number 4. Okay, so now let's get a first baseman. That could be Anthony Rizzo. Let's get Anthony Rizzo here for our first. So now we're gonna do a shortstop here. Jorge Mateo, perfect. And now we gotta draft a catcher. Now we gotta draft a catcher here. Big Salvi. Let's go. We got Salvador Perez. And now we gotta do like outfielders here. You know what? Let's get a catcher here. Let's get Travis d'Arnaud. I don't know why I drafted another catcher, but I just think I forgot. Yeah. Okay, so let's get Michael King. Let's draft Michael King here for a reliever. We get the 8th pick here. Ooh, Giancarlo Stanton. Let's go, We got Giancarlo Stanton for our right fielder. Now we get a 23rd pick here. And we need like a left fielder. You know, let's get Jorge Lopez. Let's get Jorge Lopez here. We get the 8th pick of round 11. And we need a left fielder. Let's get AJ Pollock for our left fielder. Now we just need a center fielder, and I think that'll complete it. Or we can just get more pitchers here. We get the 23rd pick in round 12, so we need a center fielder. Adam Duvall, perfect. That's probably our team right there. We got all. Ooh, we can draft more pitchers here. Let's get Jordan Montgomery. We get the 23rd pick of round 14. Let's get Clay Holt for our closing. If we just got Fernando Tatis for our shortstop, that'll be easy money right there. Easy dubs. We got the 8th pick of round 15. Let's get like a reliever. Or we can get Noah Syndergaard. Okay, we got Noah Syndergaard here. Noah Syndergaard, 23rd pick of round 16. Now we definitely need a reliever here. Hector Neris. Okay, let's draft Hector Neris here. 8th pick of round 17. Let's get Jose Trevino for our backup catcher in case Salvi is hurt. 23rd pick of round 18. Okay, let's get Trevor Rosenthal. 8th pick of round 19. Let's get Aroldis Chapman here. Boom, 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 boom. 23rd pick of round 20. Let's get Lance Lynn. I'm gonna get Lance Lynn since he used to be a former Cardinals. Need like a backup shortstop here. Or we can get a backup left fielder as Chris Taylor. Okay, we're in the 22nd. We're in round 22 here. Ooh, let's get Miles Michaelis. Miles Michaelis. Round 23. Oh, yes. JD Martinez. Easy money. Easy money on JD Martinez there. Round 24. We get the 23rd pick. Okay, our backup shortstop is going to be Jose Iglesias. Boom, boom. Round 25. Early pick. Our backup third baseman is going to be Josh Donaldson here. We can get Josh Donaldson for a third baseman. Round 26, late pick. A backup backup shortstop could be Orlando Arcia. Round 27, very early pick. Let's get Ketel Marte for a second baseman here. Round 28. Very late pick. Ooh, Tyler Anderson. Easy money. Easy money on Tyler Anderson. Early pick in round 29. Let's get Randall Grichuk. I wonder if somebody has Tatis. Here. Okay, white pick. Garrett Cooper. Let's get Charlie Blackmon. I don't care about Charlie Blackmon. Let's get Tommy Pham. Ooh, Hyun Jin Ryle. Japanese. Looks like a recommended player here. Austin Davis. Auto drafting. Vance. Okay, let's go to the regular season here. And we're playing against the Toronto Blue Jays. And by the way, this is part 1. So yeah, we're facing against Toronto Blue Jays. So yeah, and we're home. We're home at the Busch Stadium broadcast. And then quick counts on. It's part cloudy. Let's put no Syndergaard. There. Here we go. Our first game is against Toronto Blue Jays, so yeah. So we got Stanton lead off and Taylor rounding out. So yeah. Here we go. Opening day against the Toronto Blue Jays, and we're home at Busch Stadium. So our starting pitcher is going to be Noah Syndergaard. They got Bryce Turang. I guess he's a rookie here. Oh, Freddie Freeman is on the Orioles. Yeah, that would be a hard play for Mateo. Altuve's on the Red Sox. Okay, they got Josh Wow. Justin Verlander on the Twins. Garrett Cole on the Astros. Wow. Uh-oh. The Blue Jays have Tatis. Adam Wainwright's on the Mets. I'm surprised about that. Got him. You got Tatis. Okay, they got William Contreras. Mariners have Andrew McCutcheon, and we strike out William for 3 outs. Here we go. They have Walker Buehler. Here we go. Giancarlo Stanton. Let's go. Clayton Kershaw is on the Padres. Clayton Kershaw is on the Padres. I'm surprised about Clayton Kershaw on the Padres. So yeah. Gosh dang. Walker Buehler strikes me out, and now we got Nolan Arenado. And by the way, his milestone watch, if he gets another homer, then that means he has 300 homers in his full career. So yeah, Nolan Arenado, in real life, he's on the Cardinals. And also I have him here. I think we got a good team at the start here. Yeah, it's caught. Here we go, Salvi. Salvi's batting now. Big Salvi. Holy crap. He freaking crushed. Salvi just freaking crushed that. You know, Brandon Drury. Brandon Drury is unbelievable on the Blue Jays. That's weird. Brandon Drury on the Blue Jays is really weird. Got him! Okay, they got Jake Fraley. Honestly, I don't know that guy that much. Rizzo makes the catch in foul territory. Isaac Paredes. Get that Salvi. Salvi got him in foul territory. Here we go. Jorge Mateo is up. Jorge Mateo. Holy crap, that is not a ball. That's a freaking strike. That's not a strike, it's a ball. It's a ball. But yeah, that shouldn't finish it off there. Ketel Marte. Okay, I didn't get him on that one. Ketel Marte. Boom. Ketel Marte is a 2019 All-Star. So yeah, we got All-Star on that. What is this? Anthony Rizzo. Tatis is in right field? What? Freaking weird. Boom! What? That's a freaking strike. That's a strike. We got umpires doing bad. We got umpires doing bad calls at St. Louis. Even though their They're cardinal umpires. Okay, Wilmer Flores is going to be rounding out here. Better not walk Wilmer. By the way, this is going to be a very long game here. We're going to hit a circle change in and off here. And that was rigged by terrain. Boom! Rizzo steps on the back to win the inning here. Adam Duvall. Projection: Padres to decrease 2022 win total 10 by 20 games. Orlando Arcia, the designated hitter. Baseball is back. Happy 2020. Holy crap, Giants beat Yankees 10-1. Probably it's because the Giants have a really good team. Oh, Diaz was 4 for 4 with 5 RBIs. Red Sox lead it in the 7-2. Abrams with a homer. Vaughan with a homer. Tigers lead in the 4th, 5-3. Chris Taylor's rounding out for Audi. Wade Jr. has a homer. Minnesota has an RBI. Phillies and Rangers just started. Stanton's up. Twins and Royals just started. Orlando versus Javier. Giancarlo Stanton, he won the 2016 home run derby. And Ohtani is on the White Sox. That is weird. Nats lead in the 10th 1-0. Cubs lead in the 4th 2-0. Kirk with 2 RBIs. And the Marlins lead in the first 2-1. Baez with a homer and Cron with a homer. Pirates and Reds just started. Alcantara versus Webb. Rockies and Padres just started. Fernando Tatis was a 2021 All-Star. Gilbert versus Kershaw. 7:08 p.m. D-backs and Dodgers. Bieber versus Strider. Strider's on the Dodgers. Wow. Got him. Boom. Boom. And gone. Brandon Drury, a 2-run dinger. Just missed, barely. So Brandon Drury with a two-run dinger, his first of the season. Nolan Arenado. Here we go. Arenado. Let's get some runs here. Let's tie this ball game up, or we can take the lead at Busch Stadium. Career 1,520 hits. Nolan Arenado. Holy crap! Freaking demolished. But Fernando Tatis is just too good. Here we go, Salvi. Salvi, the big power threat here. That's foul. Walker Buehler, 18 balls, 37 strikes. Early swing by Salvi, that's why he's caught. Mateo! In real life, he plays for the Orioles. There, Mateo with a double. Jorge Mateo with his first double. Mateo with a double. Here we go. Gittel, Marte, Party. Just missed that, so it's gonna be foul. Gittel, Marte, Party. Marte with a single. Mateo goes to third. Here you go, Rizzo. In real life, he plays for the Yankees. Come on, Rizzo, let's get a run here. No, it's hit right to him. Hit right to him. Rizzo, we just missed out with Rizzo, so yeah, it's going to be in the inning. Syndergaard is still dealing on the mound, and we'll have to take him out after the seventh. We'll have to take him out after the seventh. If he has a bad inning this inning, then that means that we'll just take him out in the sixth. But if he doesn't, that means we'll take him out in the seventh. If he has a really bad inning in the start, then that means that we'll just have to sub him out. Well, yeah, that's gonna be all. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you if I won or lost.